Understanding superheat and subcooling is key if you want to get your air conditioning or refrigeration system running smooth without wasting energy or messing up the components. So, here's the deal with adjusting refrigerant based on subcooling readings. First, grab your subcooling measurement. If it's low, that usually means you need to add refrigerant because the system might be starved. When adding refrigerant, do it slowly and keep an eye on the gauge so you don't overfill the system. If the subcooling is high, it's a sign there's too much refrigerant, so you'll want to recover some carefully until you hit the recommended range. While you're doing this, always check your system's rating plate to know exactly what subcooling numbers you should aim for. This is your best guide. Also, make sure the system is running at full load while you take readings, because that gives you the most accurate info. Don't forget to monitor the superheat as well, since it tells you if the refrigerant is vaporizing properly in the evaporator. Adjustments should be small and steady. Big changes can throw everything off and cause more headaches. Lastly, keep a log of your readings and adjustments so you can track what works best for future reference. One of the biggest mistakes people make with superheat and subcooling adjustments is not using the rating plate specs. They just guess or follow random numbers, which can cause undercharging or overcharging that wrecks efficiency. Fix this by always checking and trusting the manufacturer's guidelines. Another common error is adjusting refrigerant when the system isn't at full load, like doing it on a mild day when the compressor isn't working hard, which leads to inaccurate readings and bad adjustments. Always wait for peak operating conditions before making any tweaks. The third mistake is rushing the process and adding or recovering refrigerant too quickly. This can cause pressure, spikes, and damage parts. Take your time, adjust in small steps, and watch how the system responds before continuing. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle, making home repairs or improvements way less stressful. If you're a contractor, it's also a great way to get more work and connect with people who actually need your services.